Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up on Clash. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Clash app and you can see that you can continue with your Google account, so you have to click on that. Alright, so I selected my email address. Alright, so this was an intro of the Clash app. So what should we call you? Now pick a username, no pressure, you can always change it later. Alright, ask me. Just ask me. Alright, continue. Show off. Gradients are cool and all, but we would rather see your face. So if you want to set a profile picture, you have to click on that pencil icon, and after that to select or to take a picture, and after that click on the continue and you're all set. Now I'm going to skip this. Confirm your age. All right, let's say like this. Let's customize the feed. Let's be real, we all have our faves. Find your ride or dies or follow someone new. Search, you can continue, or you can pick for me. Alright, pick for me. Be the first to know. Stay up to date. You can hit up settings if you change your mind. Okay, you can allow notification or maybe later. I'm going to click on the maybe later. Okay, boom, free drops. Drops helps creators do what they love. Kick it off, send drops. Alright, speed the love. And now we are on the feed.